Welcome back. This tutorial on Excel will show you how to create a drop-down menu. Why would you want a drop-down menu? Well, it's a good way of creating an automated and more sort of visually pleasing spreadsheet, especially if you want like a simple page where users might be able to access other areas of the spreadsheet without having to maybe transfer pages. So it's the start of a complex function, but it's quite a simple thing actually to create the actual drop down box itself. So into the tutorial, we need some data first. We need something that the box will allow us to choose. So we're just gonna make it nice and simple. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that's the data that we're gonna have in the drop down menu. The drop down menu will create a single cell and it will allow us to choose all these different things, and we can link that up with other functions to make it more interactive. So to start the drop down box, we want to go to data and data validation. Got it? Data validation, and on data validation you want to hit the top one. Now data validation is a way of creating a cell that allows you to put certain bits of data only, so it'll allow certain bits and it won't allow others. And one of the ways it can allow certain things is through a drop down menu. So we're going to hit list and we can make sure this is ticked in cell drop down, ignore blanks, and the source, we want to hit this button here and then we just want to drag over our items, hit enter, and you're done. You've got your drop down menu there. You can click it and choose any of the data that we put in there. So we could obviously in future want to link this up to something else, so check out other tutorials to find out how you can create a better spreadsheet through the use of a drop down menu. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember to leave a like and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in another video.